everybody. We'll work through some of our postures here. And that first is that grasping the bird's tail. We've done this in quite a few of our forms. This one's similar to pretty much all of our forms that we've done it. And this one's setting up for that single whip, which is new. I just kind of want to have that familiarity here. So what we're going to do is coming out of that opening form. That opening form is just that rising and sinking. Taking that big breath in, big breath out. Always stay within your practice. Keep it nice and safe, balanced. Now here, as you bring those hands up, the right hand is going to come down. You're going to pivot that right foot out and ward off. Let that left hand follow through. Turn them over. Bring it back towards the hip. And then we're just going to push straight across. Pull back. Push, pull to the top of the chest. Let it kind of ease down. And redirect. Again, making sure we get those feet kind of pivoted just right. So as you kind of go through, at the end we want those feet, all those feet, if that is at 12 o'clock, all those toes pointed towards that 3 o'clock. So as we come out of that commencing form, and we do that ward off, and when we pull that back, we turn them over, we pull it back. As we push forward, all of those toes should be pointed. That way when we pull back here, we're nice and balanced. So that redirect. Now we're going to ease through one more time. Big breath in and out. Then right hand under, ward off. Pivot that foot. Follow it up. Turn it over. Push. Pull. Redirect. Good job. I do that in reverse if that helps. So we bring that under.